Don't you think that it's boring how people talk?
Hey guys, today I am doing this blue eyeshadow. I don't know what to call it. It was super fun to do. We're using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette. I did want to mention to you guys that I will be posting 2 videos a week, every Thursday and Saturday. Thursday afternoon, Saturday morning. I will do my best at sticking to that. Alrighty, so if you want to see how to do mama stuff, then just keep watching. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to do my eyes first on this one. I'm going to take my Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer by Too Faced, and I'm just going to small little dot, rub it all over my eyelids. I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This is Silk Cream, and I'm so proud of myself. I just washed all my brushes last night. Okay, this is my contour and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. It's really cheap, but it has a white right here that I'm just gonna dip into and brush all over my eyelid to set my primer. So now I'm gonna go in with that Silk Cream shade above my crease, and I'm using a Morphe M518.
Getting caught out for the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart.
Now I'm gonna take a Morphe M441 orange mustard. I don't know. This is called Creamsickle. And just focusing that a little bit lower than the Silk Cream shade that we just used. And I'm gonna build this color up a lot. That's about as good as we're gonna get it, but I do want it to be a little bit more warmer, so I think I'm gonna dip into, I think I'm gonna mix these 2 shades now. So I'm gonna take Butter and Creamsicle. Still not warm enough, so I'm gonna take Hunts and put Hunts over it.
I'll see the veins of my city like they do in,
and just build that till I get it to the intensity that I want.
My head's filling up fast with the wicked games up in flames. How can I fuck with the fun again when I'm known? And my boys trip me up with their heads again, loving them, everything's cool.
Okay, to add the blue, I'm obviously gonna go in with this shade right here. This is Twerk.
Baby, be the class clown. I'll be the beauty queen in tears.
Okay, that's not coming out as bright as I want it to, so I'm gonna wet my brush really quick. You can use like MAC Fix Plus and just spray on your brush. I'm just gonna use water because I just had a baby not too long ago, and diapers are expensive, okay? I wet my brush, going back in. This is gonna really make that color pop a lot more.
Yeah, and talk it up like yeah. Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah.
I'm back in with the Morphe M443, and I'm gonna take that Hunts. Is that the one we used? Yeah. And I'm gonna blend these 2 colors together, just going on the very top of the blue. I lost a lot of that blue, so we're going back in. We're kind of just gonna repeat these 2 steps until we get it where we want it to be. So from replacing the blue, blending it out, replacing the blue, blending it out again, just until we get it where we want it to be.
Making smart with the words.
Okay, I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of run it over everything.
Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing.
Alright, and then now I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I am just gonna clean up under my eyes. Alright, now we're gonna work on the face, and I'm taking some moisturizer, some chapstick. Now I'm going in with the Milani Prime Shield. This is the mattifying and pore minimizing one. And just pressing that in my T-zone and rubbing it throughout. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Shell Beige. Ooh, she queefed. I don't know why, but this smells like vodka to me, and it's making me want to throw up everywhere. And with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender.
It looks alright in the pictures.
Alright, next I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm just gonna go straight down here, Smells like some kind of ointment. Oh, that's just my lips. Oh. Did I make that even? Nope. It's on the side of my face, but that's okay. Oh my god. Taking my Airspun Loose Powder and my Morphe M438. Oh my gosh. So I'm super addicted to the show called Nailed It, and I also really like Queer Eye. I love Queer Eye. And they came out of nowhere. Now the Fab Five are on Nailed It. I'm so excited right now. I love Jonathan. He's my favorite. Wow, I'm white. Alright, now I'm taking that BH Cosmetics contour and highlight, or contour and blush. I'm gonna go in with this like terracotta-y color down here. It's my Morphe R2. This is like one of my favorite. I'm pretty sure it's like a blush, but I use it as a bronzer.
It's a new art form showing people how little we care. We're so happy.
I'm gonna go into this dark contour shade very lightly. Just take that down here. Deepen up our contour. I'm taking that Milani Baked Blush in that Rose Doro shade, and then the Morphe M530, and dusting this on my cheeks. Then I'm going to take the Morphe E47, which is like this weird, I like this brush though. And I'm going to dip it into my Airspun powder, clean up my contour. Alright, then taking another clean E47 brush into our contour shade, which is this dark one, just like real quick because I don't want to get crazy. I'm taking my Allure and Jasmine Brown lashes in Curly Queen. Alright, while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna dust off everything. You guys remember that Scooby-Doo movie where Mr. Bean was the bad guy? Boom. Take my Morphe E17. I'm gonna dip it into Hunts. And I'm gonna run it under my lash line. And then I'm gonna take a flat definer brush and that royal blue Twerk. Yeah, girl. And run this in my waterline. And a little bit underneath it too. And since I still have that blue on this definer brush, I'm just gonna take that over my lash band a little bit.
could watch from your window.
Run some mascara through my lashes. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm doing my eyebrows last because I am gonna be filming an eyebrow tutorial, so I'll be doing those off camera. Take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in Naked. Now the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Sable on top of that. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back with the finished look. Alright, eyebrows are on. I'm taking my Morphe M510 and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Alright, and that is it. That is this look. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, subscribe, share. I think that's it, guys. So I will see you next time. Bye. I forgot to mention that Sugar Ray were also bad guys in the Scooby-Doo movie.